Hi, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are doing a fall Halloween glam look. I had so much fun creating this today and I really hope you guys enjoy it. As you can tell, I have my wig on, I have my furry leopard hat on, and I am I feel really pretty. I feel like this is a look that I feel really confident in. I feel kind of edgy but yet really beautiful at the same time. So if you'd like to see how to get this fun fall Halloween festive look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I did already go ahead and prime my face with my Becca matte primer. I've been loving this stuff a whole lot recently. I talked about this in my previous video about the stuff that I bought from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale that I've been living for. So I did go ahead and prime my face with this already. Foundation today, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. You can really use whatever foundation you want. I just really love this stuff. So good. One of the best out there. Highly recommend. I'm just taking some of it on the back of my hand here and applying it with a Kimchi Chic sponge. Next up for concealer, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer and just concealing my under eyes, my chin, and around my nose. Next up for setting powder, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder. This is in the shade Oat. I've been really loving this lately and I'm just going to use this to set my under eyes. And around my nose. A little bit on my chin here and up on my forehead. Okay, so while my face is baking, I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer and bronzing up my face. This went on sale at Sephora and I have been really loving it. I'm so happy I was able to finally get it. It matches my skin tone so well. I just take some on my forehead here and on my jawline. And I'm just going to use a little bit of this to contour my nose. I love this stuff. You know what? While I'm here, I'm going to take a little bit of the Hoola Light Bronzer and also use this just to see what this combination looks like, you know? Why not? Now I'm just removing all the excess powder from my bake. Now for blush, I'm going to be taking my Cover FX Duochromatic, whatever it's called, Monochromatic Blush Duo. This is in the shade Pink Dahlia. I haven't used this one yet, so I'm excited to use this one. Taking a Shania B brush and dipping a little bit into the matte and a little bit into the shimmer. Put a little bit on my nose here. Okay, so now for brows, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm going to be using the shade 3 in the inner portion of my eyebrow and 375 on the outer portions of my brows. Alright, now that I have my eyebrows on, I'm going to be taking some of this Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I tried this I tried this for the first time yesterday and I really liked it, so I'm just going to try it out again. I'm just going to tap it in with my finger today. I really like that eyeshadow primer. Alright, so for eyeshadow today, I'm going to try doing a purple cut crease orange sort of moment, I guess. I think I'm going to try. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is from the Nikkie Tutorials X Beauty Bay palette. And I'm going to be taking the shade Slasher. I love this purple color. It's just one of the best purple eyeshadows I have ever tried out in my entire life. I love it so much. So I'm going to be taking this color on a Morphe M506 brush and just putting this in my crease and a little bit on the outer corner. Actually, I'm going to take this color on a L18 brush and put it in my crease. Okay, now that I have that purple shade laid on in all the right places, I'm going to take my P. Louise eyeshadow primer base and do a cut crease moment. I just take a little bit on the back of my hand here, and I'm using a Laura Lee Los Angeles L17 brush for this. I'm just going to carve it out. Now that I have that crease nice and carved out, I'm going to take some of the white shade from my Loroc Pro Palette and set the inner portion of the crease with this shade on a Morphe E62 brush. Now I'm going to take the orange shade Redemption from my Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Bay palette with a Morphe M152 brush and place this on the lid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Mango from my Kimchi Chic Juicy 9 Mango Tango palette and put this on the outer portion of the cut crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Zama from my Juvias Place the Warrior 2 palette and put this on the outer portion of the cut crease as well, just to give it a little bit of depth. Okay, I'm really loving the way this eye has turned out. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Slasher from the Nikkie Tutorials X Beauty Bay palette on my Morphe M506 brush and just place this all along the lower lash line. Now to just add a little special something, I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Goals Liquid Glitter Eyeliner and place this all along the section where I made the cut crease in between the purple and the orange. That looks so stunning. I love the way this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, come back, and we'll get into eyeliner, mascara, and everything else. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the other eye off camera. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Megaliner. I use this every single time I use eyeliner. This is just one of my favorites. Love it. I'm using it. And I'm not trying to make this eyeliner too big. I'm not trying to. Sometimes eyeliner has a mind of its own, if you ask me. And I'm taking it almost to where I made the little glitter liner. Now I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now that I have my wings on, I'm gonna go ahead and do eyelashes and mascara off camera, come back, and we'll get into highlight and lips. Alright, so I went ahead and put on some eyelashes and do my mascara and put on a wig because why not? I really love this wig. I feel like it is so cute. It's perfect for this time of year. Now for highlight, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Cosmetics Cookie Highlighter. I've been loving this highlighter. It is so good. If you're looking for that nice blinding highlight, I would highly recommend this to you. Alright, now for lips, I think I'm going to take the Bare Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit. I haven't used this one yet. Alright, I really like that color. So pretty. The perfect pinky nude color. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I love the way everything turned out. I put on a hat as well just to make this look even more cool. But I'm really happy with the look I created. I feel like everything just came together so well. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.